With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, it is given that states Ohm's law, draw the level diagram to verify the law in the laboratory. If you draw the graph between the potential difference and the current flowing through the metallic conductor, what kind of the curve will you get? Clear? Explain how you do use the graph to determine the resistance of the conductor. Clear? Now in the first part of this question, we can see state the Ohm's law. Clear? So what is the statements of the Ohm's law? From Ohm's law, we can write electric current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across two ends. Clear? So we can write a statement like this. Clear? Electric current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across two ends. Clear? Across its two ends we can write. Clear? So this is what statements of the Ohm's law. Clear? And also we can see that when the other physical condition remains constant, when other physical condition constant. Clear? Other physical conditions means like temperature. Clear? Is constant. So this is what Ohm's law we can say. Clear? This is the statement of Ohm's law we can say. Clear? Now, so according to this, we can see that this V is the directly proportional to I. According to this statement, we can write V is the directly proportional to I. Clear? This. Now, from here we can write V and divided by I is equal to what? Constant. Clear? This is what? Constant. Clear? And this constant is equal to R. Clear? So this is equal to, from here we can write V is equal to what? IR. Clear? This. Where we can see that V is what? Potential difference, I is the current, and the R is known as here resistance. Clear? Now we can see that this ratio is what? Constant we can see, and this ratio is equal to constant, and this is equal to resistance. Clear? Now if you draw the circuit diagram, so circuit diagram we can draw in this way. Let us consider this is what? Resistance we can take. Clear? And we can connect this resistance through a battery. Clear? We can connect this through a battery. This is the positive terminal of the battery, and this is what? Negative terminal of the battery. And we can also connect this a voltmeter here to measure the potential difference, and we can also connect a ammeter here to measure the current. Clear? This. And we can also connect a key here. Clear? This. Clear? Now current will passes in this way. We can see that in this way. Now if we draw the diagram between V and I, clear, reading of this V and I, so we will get like this. Clear? So we will get the relation between current and the potential difference. Clear? So at this axis we can take current I we can take, and in this axis we can take potential difference. So we will get the straight line. Clear? This we will get. Clear? So from here we can see that this graph is what we can see. We can see this is the relation between V and I is what? A straight line we can see. Clear? Now next part of this question is what we can see from here. How do you get you use this graph to determine the resistance of the conductor. Clear? So resistance of the conductor is what? From the relation we know that R is equal to what? V and divided by this I. Means we can say that gradient or the slope of this graph gives the resistance. From here it is clear that the slope of the graph will get the resistance. Clear? So we can write here the gradient of a straight line graph related to the resistance of the conductor. Clear? So we can write here the gradient of a straight line graph clear, is related to the we can write in this way, is related to resistance. Clear? Is related to resistance of the conductor we can write. Clear? In this way we can answer this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.